So, hi Ashwin.
Hi, good to see you. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing good. Thanks for asking.
Okay, great. So, how was your day?
Day was pretty good. Yes,
Okay.
going on.
So,
Yeah,
where are you calling from, and what do you do?
I'm originally I'm from southern part of India.
Hmm.
My state is Karnataka. So
Okay.
my native place is Mangalore.
Oh, okay.
But currently I'm connecting from Israel.
Oh, all right.
Yes, I'm working as a personal assistant, one of the employer in Israel. Since COVID, I'm working here. Yeah, I can say.
Okay, okay, okay. In Israel, okay.
Yeah.
How is the working environment there?
Working environment is going good, yeah. But now, if you talk about weather, now winter is approaching to summer. Just
Okay.
summer has started just now, yeah. Yesterday it has started, yeah. Since
Oh,
yesterday, it's
okay,
quite warm, yeah. Otherwise,
okay,
we feel cold here, yeah. Usually 7 months cold season here,
okay, okay, okay.
yeah.
Fine. All
So
right.
you're from, I guess you're from Kerala, right?
Yes, I'm from Kerala. Correct. I'm from Kerala, but I'm settled in Hyderabad. Right now, I'm from Hyderabad. I'm staying in Hyderabad.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, because your name is Sriji, right?
Sherin.
Sharing. So
Sherin
Sharing,
Sijin.
okay.
Yeah,
So I
Sherin.
thought maybe you are from Kerala. Sharing, CG, VG, KG, all come from Kerala. So I'm just
Yes,
having, yeah, doubt. Yeah,
correct.
in that
Yes,
way.
yes. I am a Christian. So, yes, I'm from
Okay,
Kerala.
what do you do as a professional actually, no?
I'm into teaching. I'm an assistant professor of English literature. My subject
Oh,
is
full time
English.
you're a teacher.
Yes.
Yeah. You're
I work as
teaching
a
for
part-time
what
scholarship.
kind of specialization you're, like
English.
subject?
English is my
Yeah, English only.
yes.
Full
English
time English
literature is
only.
my subject. Yeah. English is my
Okay.
breadwinner.
Okay, okay. So that's why you are very good at English.
Maybe I'm passionate
Okay,
about it. So that's why.
okay. How is your going teaching work? It's going smooth?
Yes, yes, yes. It's going on well. And I
Mm-hmm.
take private classes also, and I teach on Clappingo
Okay,
also. So I'm
okay.
managing things.
You're making yourself busy always. Yeah.
Yes, it's good,
Okay.
right?
On Sunday also you're taking class?
Yes, Sunday, sometimes, rarely.
Yeah, you have to give for your family also.
Yeah,
That's important.
definitely. Sunday is
Yeah,
complete. Sunday is actually for relaxation,
yeah.
but then for me, Sunday is we go out, we do something. So it is like we don't do any other work. Even I don't even prefer to go to the kitchen on Sundays. I'm
So
far
usually
away
you go
from the
for
kitchen.
restaurant, I think, for having food, right?
We either go
Weekly
for the
once.
restaurants. Yeah, we go for restaurants,
Have fun.
or else we will order
Okay.
food. Otherwise, I'll make something that is easy, like khichdi or maybe some chicken pot
Maggie.
rice or Maggie or
Yeah,
bread omelette. Something that is very easy, not very messy. Otherwise, every morning we
yeah.
have to make, right? Or I prepare
Yeah,
lunch.
once a while it's okay for ordering
Huh,
from the restaurant and all.
correct.
Yeah, that's
Yes.
okay. You feel refreshed. Yeah.
Yeah, at least one day you should have some off. So that's
So
why,
you said right now you are living in Hyderabad, right?
yes, yes, I'm in
So
Hyderabad.
which city you are living in Hyderabad?
Hyderabad itself. In Hyderabad itself, we have.
Okay.
You must be knowing. Are you familiar with the places in Hyderabad like Kukutpalli, Miapur?
No, no, no. I
No,
know
right?
Guntur and all. Vizag,
That's Andhra. That's
Guntur.
Andhra, not
Oh,
Telangana.
that is Andhra. Okay,
Yes,
okay.
that's Andhra. Guntur, Vijayawada, and all comes under Andhra. This is Telangana.
Okay, your city is very busy now.
Yes, yes, Hyderabad is a beautiful city. A very nice place
Mm-hmm.
to live. Very, very
Mm-hmm.
good place. You have all facilities, amenities, everything is available.
Okay.
Yes, it's a very good place. So,
Yeah.
yes. All right. So, it's been how long you have been to your place, Karnataka?
Sorry, Karnataka or in Israel, I'm staying, you're telling.
No, no,
So,
no. I'm telling after coming to Israel, did you ever been again back to Karnataka? Or you have been
yes, yes.
staying there from 2, 3 years in
No,
Israel?
no, no. So, yeah, I took my vacation last year. In the
Okay.
month of May, I went, yeah, 2021. So next vacation, I think coming Deepavali, I think November, I might go. Yeah, I have a plan. Yes,
Okay.
yes. Let's see
All
how
right.
it goes. Yeah.
Nice.
So my family is in India. My wife works as a lecturer. My
Okay.
children, they're studying like in elementary class. Yeah,
How old
I
are they?
have two children.
Okay.
My first, his son is aged about 8. Yeah. Second one, daughter. Yeah, she's aged about 5. Yeah, 5
5
I think.
years old.
Now she's
Okay.
going to UKG. Yeah, upper KG.
Great. Nice, nice. I also have a daughter. She's 3 years old. She started her
Oh,
kindergarten, preschool, nursery.
okay.
Yeah, she also started going.
In our time, so I studied like after first standard only I went to school. I mean, I just went to the what we call like Anganwadi, Balawadi, we
Yes,
say,
yes,
So I
correct,
studied in regional school, regional
correct,
medium I studied. So nowadays, school children started school at the age of 3 only.
correct. She's going to school,
Yeah,
the big
nursery.
school, nursery. Yes, she's
Oh,
going to the school itself, and she comes in
yeah,
the bus. She goes in the bus, so it's like that. They are
very
grown-ups.
small age, right? Yeah.
Yeah, very small age. But what to do? It is like, the society demands you to send your kids to school at 3.
Yeah, also so much money also. No, you have to pay
Yeah,
for
very
to
costly,
the
very
school.
costly. Too
Yeah,
much, too
that's
much.
what.
We
Nowadays,
went to
everywhere
school.
English medium schools, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, we have to pay.
international. You have the name international, okay? So if you go
Yes,
to
yes,
any international schools, definitely they won't charge you less than 1 lakh. For
definitely.
kindergarten, nursery students, I went to a school nearby. It is
Uh-huh.
an international school and it is one of the top schools. And there, the
Okay.
fee is nearly 4 lakh rupees.
Oh my God.
For
Mhm.
4 lakh rupees for just this child who is studying in nursery. We were like
You know,
blown away.
I did my schooling. I mean, I did my college. So I
Hmm.
went to evening college. I did my evening college, like first year, second year, final year degree. I did
Mhm.
my graduation about commerce, in
Okay.
commerce.
Hmm.
I paid 5,000 rupees for 3 years. Yeah, I did income certificate. Though,
Correct.
I paid 5,000 rupees only. My kids, for LKG itself only, I have to pay for them 50, 60,000 rupees.
Correct. Absolutely.
Yeah,
That is the situation. That is the situation. Very, very sad that education has turned out to be a business these days. And the
definitely.
sad part is that your teachers are not getting that much of salary, which is being, they are taking so much of fee from the students,
Yeah,
but
I don't know
teachers
where
are
it
paid
goes.
less. Yes, exactly. Teachers
Definitely.
are underpaid.
Yeah.
That is a very sad situation. Now, your wife may be a lecturer. She may not be
Definitely,
getting.
that's what I'm telling you. Yeah, that
That
very
is
small salary she is getting. She is always
correct.
crying. No, no, because she did MSc, also she
Yes.
did B.Ed. Like what I can say that how much they
Yeah, so many
they're in
years of
the
hard work, so many
graduation.
years of
Yeah,
studying. It is very sad,
yeah.
and even for the professors, like I work as an assistant professor. There are other professors also. For them, if you are in government sector, you get around 1 lakh,
Yeah.
more than 1 lakh. But if you are in the
Oh,
private sector, you will get only 70, 80. That's it. So
yeah.
that is a very sad part because you're doing the same work
Even in
as
our
them.
side, the very small amount they're getting.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Here also starting is Ashwin 25 to 30. If you go to normal schools or
yeah.
normal, uh, if without experience, they give you 25 to 30. That is the starting, not more than
Yes,
that.
yes.
With experience, to after 1 year or 2 years, they will increase it. And if you have net qualification and set qualification, then you can get it around 70,000. That is how
Yeah, they are
the
not reduced
process is.
the fee structures and all. And even the COVID time, so we used
Yeah,
to fight with the management in our
yeah.
school, my kids' school.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, even though they have not reduced the price, but still what you
Correct.
said, they are not even paid for teachers' salary. That is there,
That's
but
what the problem
they are
is.
not reducing the school structure. Yeah, that is
Correct, correct.
quite
So, uh,
strange.
yes, yes. This is what is happening these days. It has turned to be a business. As you said, in our time,
Yes.
so hardly it costed any amount. At that particular time, it was high, but then it was manageable. Going to school is not like a burden for the family or for the parents. Sending your
So
kids to
only not only for they're teaching, they're making money from the transportation. Like
transportation fee also, correct.
yeah, they're asking more money than the actual. That is
Correct.
there, and also food, something like they're telling that we are giving like hot food for you in the like. So that's
Correct.
why we are yeah okay. Let them have like hot food, but they're putting so much money for that. That is
Yes.
there
Correct. Correct.
everywhere.
They will have all
Yeah.
these reasons, and it's really
But they
hard.
are not giving importance for teacher. What you said is correct. Yeah,
Yes, yes, that's what is happening. All right. So
that's why
Ashwin,
you're doing like part time.
not
Like,
because of that.
yeah,
I
yeah, but still, nowadays, right, the life is not easy. We
of
have to
course
work
not.
hard, and yeah,
Yes, yes.
we are
Correct.
giving good education for our children, so we have to do hard work in
Correct,
that
correct.
sense.
That is
Yeah.
true. Yes. But here on Clappingo, the main reason why I joined is because it provides time. It gives us fluctuality, or time is something that is not very much strict. It is up to
Okay.
me. I can open my
Yeah.
slots whenever I want to. So it is quite flexible
Okay.
for me. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's
Comfortable.
really,
Yeah.
yes, it is comfortable for me. So that's why I thought, okay, let me join. Even if I take two
Okay.
hours, it's okay, or 5 hours, it's
You are
okay.
new to this clapping a tutor, or
No, no, no. It's been
long that
nearly,
you are here?
yeah, I have been there from the starting, from the beginning itself.
Okay.
Like, it's been nearly two
Okay.
years I have joined.
Ah, so you are a senior tutor now.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
I
like a
will not be.
different part of India tutors are there, right, in the
Yeah.
Clappingo.
Yes.
Yeah, I
From
saw like
across
Bengal,
India.
Kerala.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Across India and from abroad also there are, but all are Indian experts. We don't have any native
Hmm.
speakers. All are Indian experts.
Yes, clapping is quite famous now. Yeah, I saw
Yes,
in
it
YouTube
is.
and in the internet, in the Google and all everywhere. Yeah,
Yes, it
it's
is an
clapping is doing very
established.
good.
Yeah, it is an established
Yeah.
platform now. So it is doing good.
Okay.
Maybe you, if
Yeah.
you're, if you want your wife to join, you can ask her also if she is interested in
Yeah.
English, if she wants to teach
She is very busy with the, for with the children now.
with the kids. Yeah, yeah, it's
Maybe
quite
after
difficult.
some time, let's see. Yeah.
Correct, correct. That's true. That's true. You need to have a good command over the language. That is one thing. What is
Hmm.
required over here, and yeah, yeah, you should know English.
Some criteria should be there, right? Yeah, for that
Yes, yes, yes. It is
making
there.
to Clappingo. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, that's true. You need to go through the training, and you will initially have your interview and all those things. But it's a
Okay,
good
okay. Some
platform.
grammar test will be there, I think. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, English
kind of.
related. Yes, yes. English
Hmm.
related, you will have to go with some training and some interviews also. Right.
Hmm.
Okay. So
Okay,
Ashwin,
good.
we are almost coming to the end of the session. So this was like a, let's say, an introductory session. Maybe I didn't
Yeah,
touch the topic for today. You were given the topic
yeah.
on superheroes, I believe, right?
Superheroes, yeah. Yes.
Yes. Okay. So it is okay, no problem. Maybe when we meet for the next time, we can speak on that particular topic. Okay.
Definitely, yes,
And
yes,
then we
yeah,
can move on to some other topic also, which will be given for that particular session. All
yeah,
right. So far, after
yes.
listening to you, yes, you're a good speaker. You are not making much
Okay,
grammatical mistakes, but definitely
okay,
there is a lot of scope for you to improve. So I wouldn't say that you're
yeah.
perfect, but there is scope for improvement. Okay, you can
Yes, yes,
read.
definitely. In the
Yeah,
vocabulary, yes,
yeah,
yeah.
improving your
Sometimes
vocab.
in the right vocabulary is not coming from my mouth. Yeah, in the sense
Yes,
of
yes, correct.
also fluency. Yeah,
Yes, that does
because I
happen.
grew up in regional school medium, no, so that is also
Correct,
yeah part
correct.
of yeah.
That's right. That's right. It's a matter of
That's right.
exposure. As you said, you didn't have that environment. Probably that is the
Yeah,
reason. Okay. So you should have, first of all, you should have the interest, because this is a journey. There is no full stop for learning
yeah,
the language. Because it's a
definitely. Yeah,
language, right? So it's a language. So you have to
yeah.
read sometimes, you have to listen sometimes. So just continue with the practice. You
Yes,
will be
yes,
on
yes.
track.
Yeah.
Okay. That's it.
Okay, thanks for having me, and I had a really good interacted with you, interaction with you, and
Interactive.
with your,
Yes.
yeah, clapping you. Yeah,
Sure. All
I,
right, Ashwin. We'll meet again sometime. Okay. Thank you so much.
definitely, yes, yes. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.